Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and isolating equipment to avoid shorts. Turn off the Yamaha and unplug it. Next, select 1216 AWG speaker wire and optional banana plugs for secure connections. Use a multimeter to verify continuity. Make sure your speaker's impedance matches the amplifier's specified ohms so you do not overload the amp. Once done, strip 1/2 inch of insulation and twist the conductor. Keep positive and negative clear and labeled, because correct polarity preserves bass and stereo imaging. Now you connect the speakers. Locate the Yamaha's binding posts or clips and choose O or B outputs depending on your setup. Insert the stripped wire into the correct terminal, red to positive, black to negative, or fit banana plugs to the posts for a firmer connection. Tighten binding posts so wires are clamped securely. Loose wires can cause noise or damage. Once both channels are attached, visually inspect for stray strands touching adjacent terminals, and gently tug each wire to confirm a solid mechanical and electrical connection. Finally, power the Yamaha on with volume down. This prevents pops that may damage drivers. Select your input source and slowly raise the volume while playing a familiar test track. Listen for balanced left-right imaging and clean bass. If you hear distortion, hum, or no output, power down and recheck wiring polarity and tightness, verify speaker impedance versus amp specs, and use a multimeter to confirm speaker continuity and amp output voltage. If problems persist, test each speaker on a known good channel to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.